Let's see how you can send SMS to your customers using ValueFirst extension in Zoho Inventory. In this video, we will learn about the following topics. Let's get started. To install the ValueFirst SMS extension in your organization, log into your Zoho Inventory account. Go to Settings and click Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Here, search for the ValueFirst extension. Then, click Install at the top right corner. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy of your vendor and Zoho Marketplace and click Install. Mark this box to agree to the terms and conditions of this integration and click Next. Here, authorize your Zoho Inventory connections. Hover the cursor over Zoho Finance and click Connect. On the page that follows, click Connect. The extension will access the following information. Click Accept. Enter the user ID, password, and the sender ID provided by the ValueFirst team and click Install Extension at the bottom of the page. That's it. You have installed the ValueFirst extension successfully. You can also install the extension through Zoho Marketplace. Go to marketplace.zoho.com. Here, you will find many ready-to-use extensions. Search for ValueFirst extension in the search bar and install it. To send SMS to your customers, you will have to create and add the ValueFirst SMS template to the extension. Let's see how to create the template. Select ValueFirst SMS templates. Click Create ValueFirst SMS template. Enter the template name. Select the module in which you want to use this template from the module drop-down. Check this box if you want to associate this template by default. Please note that if you create another template and set it as the default, the current default template will be automatically marked as non-default. Enter the message and click Save. You can now use this template to send payment links, payment reminders, and other notifications to your customers via SMS. You can also edit the template. Click Edit Template. Now that we have created the template, let's see how to send SMS to your customers using the ValueFirst extension. Before you send SMS to your customer, make sure you have added their contact number. Go to the Customers module and select the customer to whom you want to send SMS. Click ValueFirst SMS at the top right corner. Choose the template that you want to use and the message content will be automatically populated. You can also edit and create a new template from here. Then click Send. The message will be sent to your customers via SMS. You can also send SMS from the Invoices module if you have configured the template to be associated for the Invoices module. In the ValueFirst SMS History module, you can view a list of SMS sent to your customers. You can view this information in the ValueFirst portal as well. If at any point you wish to uninstall the extension, go to Settings and select Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Click Installed Extensions next to all extensions. Click View Details below the ValueFirst SMS extension card. Click Uninstall at the top right corner. You will no longer be able to send SMS to your customers using the extension. Once you've uninstalled the ValueFirst SMS extension, the ValueFirst templates and the history will be permanently deleted from your Zoho Inventory organization. They will not be available even if you reinstall the extension. And that's a wrap for our video. Thanks for watching.